So in this video, we are going to learn how to sign TradingView alerts on X. Let's say you are using TradingView and you have created some kind of alerts for some stocks over there. Now you want that whenever you are going to receive a new alert message in TradingView, you want to post that same message on your X platform or your Twitter handle as well. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So in this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new alert message in TradingView, automatically with the same details, that exact same message will be posted as a tweet on X. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this kind of automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen. So as you can see, this is my TradingView account. Now I want that whenever I get a new alert message in TradingView for the alerts which I have created, I want to post that same alert message on X, or should I say Twitter. Now to do this, we have to connect our TradingView account with X platform. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After coming here, you can see two different options. First one is sign in and second one is sign up free. Now if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on sign up free, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here you just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And after clicking on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now here, we have to create an automation workflow. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as TradingView to X. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly account in which you want to create this automation and click on create. After clicking on create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our TradingView account with Pabbly Connect in the triggers step. So that whenever we are going to receive a new alert message in TradingView, the same message will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to post the same message on X as well. Now to do this, here in the trigger step in choose app, search for TradingView. Just select it. After selecting TradingView, in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new alert. Now as we select the trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. And using this webhook URL, we are going to connect TradingView with Pabbly Connect. And to add this webhook URL in our TradingView account, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL from here and go to your TradingView account. After coming here, first we have to open the stock or the index for which we want to create the alert. So let's take an example of this Nifty 50 index. We are going to open the full chart of this particular index for which we are going to create the alert and click on this create alert button. After clicking on create alert, here we have to do the settings of the alert which we want to create. So here in condition, I have selected Nifty 50 regular trading hours. Then here in alert type, I am selecting crossing. I'm going to set up this alert on the basis of price, but if you want, you can select volume as well. And then here we are going to set up the alert for the price of 22,040. You can basically enter any settings in this alert as per your choice. Then it is asking us for the trigger that do you want to get the alert only once or every time Nifty 50 is going to cross this price. So I want to get the alert every time, so I'm going to select every time over here. Then we have to select the date and time, that at what date and time this alert is going to get expired. So let's take an example of 24th of April. I want this alert to expire on 24th of April at 4 p.m. So I'm selecting that date and time. You can basically select any date and time in the future as per your choice and just click on set. Then after that, it is asking us for the alert name. So let's say I want to name my alert as TradingView to X. You can basically give any alert named over here. Let's say if you want, you can just enter the name of the stock and the index as well. For example, I'll enter Nifty 50 to X. You can just enter any name of your choice. After giving the alert name, here we have to create the alert message. So here in alert message, you can basically create any message of your choice. So here, let's say I want my message to be Nifty 50 is crossing, and then we have the price for which we have created the alert. Now in the message section itself, if you want, you can also add some kind of placeholders as well. Now here in the help text, you can see this question mark, just click on it. And on the right side here, you can see this section will open up over here. Now in this section, you will get a list of all the variable values which you can add in your alert message. And the text or the value of these variables in our alert message will be keep on changing as per the values or as per the current stock status. Let's say we have this example over here. We have the variable of exchange, then we have the variable for ticker, then we have the variable for close price and for volume. If we set up this kind of alert message with all of these variables, then in that case, we are going to get this kind of alert message where we will be having the exchange name of the exchange over here. Then we will be having that stock or index ticker. Then we will be having the price over here, the close price and the volume at which this stock is trading right now. And here you can see a list of all the placeholders which you can add in this section. So here we have the placeholder for ticker, then we have the placeholder for exchange, then for close, open, high, low. Then we have the placeholder for time as well. Then we have the placeholder of plot and also for interval. If you have created some kind of strategies, you can add the placeholder for the strategy prefix as well. In this way, you can just refer to this section and create any message, alert message of your choice as per your requirement. Right now, I'm just taking example over here of this, and we are going to enter these variables over here. We have exchange, ticker, then we have price over here, that what is the current price of this stock or index, and the volume at which it is trading at. Now, after creating the alert message and all the details, what we have to do, we have to add this webhook URL in this alert. So we will just copy the webhook URL from here, and here we will go to the notification section of this alert. Under notification, you can see this option of webhook URL. Just select it. And after selecting webhook URL, in the field below, we are going to paste the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. After adding the webhook URL and creating the alert settings, let's click on create. But before that, let me change the value over here. Right now, Nifty 50 index is trading at 22,034. And we are going to create the alert for example, 22,035. Let's take this example because I just want to get an alert immediately. Let's click on create. So just now we have created an alert in our TradingView account for Nifty 50. And yes, here you can see just now Nifty 50 has crossed 22,035, this particular price, and we have received the alert message. Now, because we have added the webhook URL in this alert message, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received the response. And in this response, you will get the exact same alert message which we have created. The message is Nifty 50 is crossing this price for which we have created the alert, and we have the other details, like we have the name of the exchange, we have the ticker over here, then we have the close price, that after crossing it, what was the price, and then we have the volume as well. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully received the alert message from our TradingView account in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to post this same message on X, or we want to post this same message on Twitter, formerly Twitter, as a tweet. For that, we will just come to this action step, and here in choose app, we will just search for X over here. Select X, formerly Twitter. Then after that, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as create tweet. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here, we have to connect our X account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with X button. Now here you can see after clicking on connect, it is asking us for the client ID and client secret. Now what we have to do, we have to enter the client ID and the client secret of our X account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this client ID and client secret. So here in the help text below, you can see this learn more button. Just click on it and it will take you to a page on our forum. And at this page, here you can see a list of step-by-step guide that how you can basically get the client ID and client secret. So to get it, the first step is we have to go to this link of developer.twitter.com. So I'll just click on this link and we will reach to the Twitter's or X developer platform. Then after that, just go to this developer portal. After coming to developer portal, here what you have to do, if you are the first time user of the Twitter or X's developer platform, here you have to enter some details that how you're going to use the X API and all of that. And after entering these details, you will reach to this developer portal. Now, after coming to a developer portal, here we just have to go to under projects and app. And you have to create a project. Like you can see, here I have created a project named as test. So these are some basic details. After creating the project, we have to create an app for this project as well. And to create the app, we will just scroll down and click on this add app button. Now the first thing is we have to give this app a name. So let's say I'll name my app as Demo Test 101. Now let's click on next. After clicking on next, here you can see it is going to ask us some details. So just click on this app setting button, and after clicking on app setting, we will scroll down and here you can see this setup option. Just click on setup. After coming to the setup page, here the first thing it asks us is app permission. And we have to select read and write and direct message as the permission. Now here in this forum documentation itself, you can see that we have to go to the setup section and here we have to select read and write and direct message as the permission. And in the type of app, we have to select web app, automated app or bot. So here we are going to select the same option in the next field. Then it is asking us for the callback URL. And in the documentation itself, here you can see this is the callback URI which we have to enter over here. We will just copy the URI for here and then we are going to paste it over here. Then it is asking us for the website URL. So I'll just enter the website URL of Pabbly over here. But if you have your own website, then you can enter the website URL of your website as well. So the same thing is mentioned over here in this documentation as well. Now after entering these details and selecting these two options, just scroll down and click on save. And as we click on save, we will see this particular app is created in our Twitter account, X account, and now we have the client ID and client secret. Now just copy this client ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After that, copy the client secret and paste it over here as well. And after entering these details, just click on save. Now as we click on save, here you can see because we have already logged into our X account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. We will just scroll down and click on this authorize app button. And as we click on authorize, we will see our X account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the message. That what is the message? What is the content that we want to post on X as a tweet? So we want to post the exact same alert message which we have received from TradingView in the triggers tab. Now to send this message or this response from the triggers tab to the action step, what we have to do, we are going to use a process called mapping. So we will just come to this action step and here in the message field, just click here. And in the drop down, you can see the exact same alert message which we have received from TradingView in the triggers tab. So from the drop down, we are going to select this message and map it. Now, if you are quoting some other person's tweet, then in that case, we have to enter the quote tweet ID. But here right now, we are not quoting anyone's tweet. So we can just ignore this field for now. And also, we are not entering any direct message deep link as well. So we can ignore it too. Now, after entering the message over here and connecting our X account, just click on save and send test request. Now, when we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have entered, basically the alert message which we have received from TradingView, is now posted on our X account. So let's check it. We will just go to our X account and we will just refresh our page once. And yes, here you can see the exact same message is posted as a tweet on our X platform and it is posted 22 seconds ago. Nifty 50 is crossing the price, the same price for which we have created this alert message over here. And after that, here you can see the other details. We have the stock exchange, we have the ticker, we have the close price and the volume as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new alert in TradingView, automatically within seconds, the same alert message will be posted on X as well. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. Once again, I'll just go to my TradingView account and I'll just change the alert price over here. So this particular index is now trading at 22,021 right now. So I'll just change the alert price to 22,025 and I'll just update the same alert price in the message as well. And then I'm just going to click on save. So just now I have created an alert for Nifty 50 at the price of 22,025. And here you can see just now we have basically received the alert message. Nifty 50 index has crossed this particular price for which we have created the alert. And using the automation which we have created, we will see automatically a tweet will be posted on X with the same message. We'll just go to our X account and refresh it once. And yes, here you can see just now the messages are posted on our X platform. Nifty 50 is crossing 22,025, this particular price for which we have created the alert. And as many times it is going to cross it, in TradingView, we are going to get the alert that many times. And using this automation, we are going to post that many messages or that many times the tweet will be posted on our X platform. So here you can see that we have the price, we have the stock exchange, we have the ticker, and also the volume at which it is trading at right now. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.